Mathematics for class 10, unit number 5, sets and functions, exercise 5.1, question number 4. Last question of this exercise. We have some type of sets in descriptive method. These sets are written in the descriptive method. Universal set is equal to set of natural numbers up to 15. Set A is set of even numbers up to 15 and set B is equal to set of odd numbers up to 15. Then find A complement union B complement. First for this solution, for this part, we must have A complement. We know that A complement is equal to all elements containing all elements of universal set minus A. The all elements of universal sets minus set A. By observing these two sets, first we write them. Set of natural number up to 15 minus set of even number up to 15, this set. This is a very realistic approach, that if you have set in the form of descriptive method, then how can you write in tabular form? You must solve it in the descriptive form. So this is my way. I don't know what you think about this. First of all, you eliminate all even numbers from natural numbers up to 15. We have remaining only odd numbers up to 15. Set of so A complement is a set of all odd numbers up to 15. We can write here set of all odd numbers up to 15. This way is very easy and perfect. Next, B complement is equal to universal set minus set B. This is equal to set of natural number up to 15 minus set of odd numbers up to 15. Similarly, as we obtain A complement set, we remove all even odd numbers from natural numbers and we get set of even numbers up to 15. This is 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2 we have, from equation 1 and 2 we have A complement union B complement. This is equal to A complement is the set of all odd numbers up to 15 union set of even number up to 15. We know that union is the combination of or collection of both sets which are occurring only once. If they have doubling, both sets contain same element, we write in this set only once. So odd numbers union even numbers means set of natural numbers up to 15. In second part of question number 4, we have A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement is equal to set of odd numbers up to 15. Intersection, this is A complement and this is set B complement, set of even numbers up to 15. We observe that there is no common element in both sets, so the resultant set is equal to 5, empty set. Similarly, third part, universal set, complement of universal set. Complement of universal set means universal set minus universal set. We write both sets, set of natural number up to 15 minus set of natural number up to 15. In this complement set, we have only elements of universal set which are not in this set, but we observe here the situation, the both sets are equal and no elements exceeding or other than this set in this U. So the resultant set is empty, 5. Next part 4 of question number 4, phi complement. Phi complement is equal to universal set minus phi. Universal set is set of natural numbers up to 15 minus empty set 5. There is no element for comparing, for checking, so we have this set as the answer as the resultant set of A complement, set of natural number up to 15. Fifth part of question number 4, B intersection A complement. Set B is set of odd number up to 15 intersection. A complement set is set of odd number up to 15. In this case, we observe that these both are the same sets. The elements of set B and set A complement are the same. So the resultant set is set of odd number up to 15. Sixth part of question number 4 of exercise 5.1, B union B complement. B union B complement is equal to set of odd number up to 15 union set of even number up to 15. We observe that these are odd numbers and even numbers makes a set of natural number of up to 15. Set of natural number up to 15. In next part 7 of question number 4, A intersection A complement, we observe that set A is set of even number up to 15, intersection set of odd numbers up to 15. These are two disjoint sets are having no element in common, so the resultant intersection set is equal to empty set 5. Last part of question number 4, part 8, A union B complement. A union B complement is equal to set A is equal to set of even numbers up to 15 union set of B complement. We have set of even numbers up to 15. The union of this is same set, and union is also containing of all elements of both sets. So we have set of even numbers up to 15, and this completes our exercise. Question number 4 is completed. Exercise 5.1 is completed.